Okay, I'm going to show you how I wrap a remote. Pioneer remote, sold for some good money. CU-VSX028, no 026. Anyway, I got it wrapped in the plastic. It's starting to split because I did a little tight. Okay, so here's what I do. Let me adjust. Okay, you see the remote here? I leave room so I can fold it in at both ends. So I'm going to mark where I need to cut it. And I'm going to score a line where I want to fold it. If you see that, that's the line is scored. Now it makes it easy to bend. Okay, now I got it bent. Well, what I generally do is score it again the perceived width of the item. I also need to cut this. I have to do it over here. I don't have the best camera set up yet. Maybe someday, if I decide to continue to do this. Okay, so I just get these boxes at Walmart, have them shipped to me. Boom, boom. Okay. Hopefully that's in view. Now I score it again. Do the same thing if you need to put packing protection in it, like paper or packing peanuts or whatever. You just score it bigger, make the box bigger. Okay, here's what I do. Watching on that last band, I cut it short. Basically score it. That way it's easy to cut. Okay, now I put that underneath. That way, when I tape it, always try to put the wording inside so when they open the package, they see this beautiful box. Of course, it's not finished, but they'll see a box and it'll make them happy. Okay, now, you see these ends. You've got to cut them down to the item and fold the sides in first. This is just how I do it. Do whatever you want to do. You're watching the video, so maybe you want some ideas. Carefully get that one off to the side. Yes, I have cut myself more on my tape dispenser than. Okay, I like to bend these like that just to get them to crease where I want. Then they'll bend backwards. Then I either cut or rip this extra tab off here carefully. A little less weight makes these lids close better. Okay, this one's closing good. This one's overlapped. It's a crappy video, I can see. I wouldn't be watching it. Generally, just get it. I'm putting it in a padded envelope anyway. If you do that, both ends, you'll have yourself beautiful box. Be careful not to cut your item. That's why I try to use my thumb here and try to, keep it as a break. That way, if it tries to go too quick, I can pull it back right before it hurts anything. Fold in. Well, that made the crease. Really, you want to fold these in first and back just so you can get this extra stupid tab off. It just doesn't fold well if you leave it on. I am a penny pincher, but not to that extent. Really only need one piece in the end of these remote boxes. Bam, bam, bam. scale. I got this slow scale that takes forever to turn on. And it says 6.2, which in the post office view is 7. Got a lot of cardboard dust up here. Shipping massive amounts of items. Okay, so I got this new zebra printer, laser printer, or laser, whatever. And it goes super quick. It's a thermal printer, but whatever. I'm sure you already probably knew that. Alright, 7 ounces. We'll put that into eBay here and update, see what kind of price they give me. $363. I'll go with that. Okay, the label. Too many steps, eBay. Shrink this down for me a bit here. At least 1 or 2 of these steps. Okay, now I'm about to click OK. This is how fast this works. 1, 2, 3. Bink. Tear off. Tear the back off. Plaster on the package. Of course, I haven't sealed the back up yet. I always like to put a piece of tape on the back just because I don't want any problems. That's all there is to that.